Alright, go ahead, start. Feed them.
Not here yet.
Well, they won't be until you throw some out there. Say, whoop. Let's see if we can get one over here. Uh-oh, here they come. Look at that. Throw some out there, Emma. Go ahead, feed them. Oh, boy. You need some more. Here, break them up in little pieces. Woo! Is Emma having fun? Let's look. Oh, boy. Are you out already?
Yeah.
Alright, here's some more. That's why we got 2 loaves of bread. Woo! Break off in pieces. You gotta make them share.
They like him.
Say, woo!
Woo!
Uh-oh. They're all over the place, aren't they?
I want another one.
You want some more? Okay, Daddy's gonna open up a loaf now. What does Seagull say?
Thank you.
That's right.
I tried that. Can I try that?
Whoop! 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 Whoop!
Don't get any more. Any more because I have enough. I see you on your tongue. I see you on your tongue.
Oh, look, look. You ate one. Let's see if we can get another one on the hood.
What hood?
Whoop.
Here we go.
Uh-oh, there's one, Emma. Look, look, look. Let's see if I can get him here. Look, see that? He's looking for some food. Watch this. We're going to feed him.
He ate it.
He got it. There's another one.
I'll get him.
He got it. Here, throw it. Here's one back here, too. Look. Look, look. We'll turn it around. There. That one. That one. Throw it to him out there. There he is. Thank you. You gotta break them up, Emma. Whoop. Sorry about that.
How we can sorry about that. Give me some more when I roll out.
You're almost out. You gotta break them up into little pieces. Look, on the hood again. Emma, look, look. He's back. Look. Whoops. You whipped behind the seat. That was silly. I don't know where that one went. Oh. Oh, he's on the hood. Now we got a pair of them on the hood. Look. Look. Whoop.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try that.
Here you go. You can't do it. Your arms aren't long enough. I'll do it for you, okay? Here you go. There, he caught it good that time. He's a good catcher, isn't he?
Awesome.
We only have 2 more slices. Break them up into little bits. You want a little one for him? Yeah, I'll give that to him. Here we go. Whoop, 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 whoop. Here you go. Whoop. All right. Tell everybody bye because we're out of bread. I almost got the last piece. Last one. That's it. Say bye, seagulls.
Bye, seagulls.
Oops.
There he is. There he is.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Mr. Seagull.